Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question at 160 minus 4 multiply in the parenthesis 14 divided by 2. Okay, so before I solve this question, I want to see your answer. So please pause this video and comment your answer step by step. Okay, I'm personally giving every comment a score out of 10. So now let's see who get a perfect score 10 out of 10. Okay, so before comment your answer, you can play this video and check your answer. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question, first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, so now 160 minus 4 multiply, now solve this parenthesis, 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. So 7. Now here is one subtraction and here is one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. So is equal to 160 minus, now solve this multiplication, 4 multiply 7 is equal to 28. So now 160 minus 28 is equal to 132. So the correct answer is 132. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.